ONeCSD aims to streamline the process of securing any cargo, whilst also addressing the source of responsibility, the forwarder. Now, for any export shipment, cargo must be secured before loading. The freight forwarder is the trigger and controller of this process and initiates it by creating the screening order. Usually, the air waybill is created at this point as well. As a next step, the cargo, together with the screening order, is being trucked to a third-party company performing the actual security screening. The current problem is that the air waybill is finished before the actual screening has been performed. Due to time pressure, this mandatory security information is often not being updated afterwards. The major challenge is to actually link the data. Today we are only looking at some loosely coupled processes between the forwarder, the screening party, later also the airline and the ground handling agent.
Our solution closes the gap between the security screening and the ground handler, so to say, the gap between the air waybill and the paper CSD. We achieve this by creating a web service running on behalf of the forwarder, which has read and write access to all relevant data. This is how it works. The freight forwarder creates the air waybill together with a screening order, which is printed and passed together with the cargo to the securing agent. As soon as the documents are created, all data, including the designated screening method, is available on the forwarder's ONE Record server. In the next step, the screening agent scans the QR code on the screening order with his phone. The agent confirms the screening method. It's the name of the person in charge. After the confirmation action, the security declaration is automatically updated by the web service. The key here is that the web service is already running on behalf of the forwarder who is owning the air waybill. Every ONE Record forwarder server runs its own web service instance of our solution. And since the web service in charge is linked to the ONE Record server of the responsible forwarder, it can directly assess and update the right air waybill, which was created before. As a result, the air waybill is updated in real time as the screening information is saved. The security information is immediately available to all parties, enabling all process participants to take further steps right away. For example, sending data change notifications to the airline as the information will be available by the time. The process establishes a connection between all involved parties and creates a single source of truth. There's no need to manually update the air waybill in the time-consuming process, and even better, updating the information is not forgotten.
We intentionally chose a low technical requirement solution because it has several benefits. Everyone has a phone or a tablet with a QR code scanner, so there is no need to invest in new technology or learn new skills. There is no need to download an app or to log in, which makes it easy and quick to access. Last and most important, can easily be integrated into any transport management system by just adding a QR code onto the screening order. All in all, the process becomes more efficient, reliable, and less error-prone as data is up to date at any given time. It's a simpler process in which data does not have to be updated or inserted manually, reducing processing time.